Still stuck with basic, boring tables that can't handle real data? Well, here is a solution for you.
Meet TableKit, the ultimate table builder for a native WordPress experience. Post table, data table, or WooCommerce product table. Build clean, functional layouts in Gutenberg without touching a single line of code. With WooCommerce integrations, turn static product lists into a high-converting table that sums up all product information, show visuals, prices, and live stock status, and add to cart options. Smoothly design pricing tables, comparison tables, and other WooCommerce tables for online stores. If you're working with large datasets, that's covered too. Import data directly from sources like CSV, Google Sheets, JSON, or even nested JSONs, and show them in a clean, structured table with advanced options like search filtering and live data sync. Design dynamic post tables that automatically pull your latest content into a professional tabular format. Merge cells to create large single cells that span multiple columns or rows. Freeze headers and columns. Apply conditional formatting. Or use pagination for better navigation, accessibility, and visibility. It's 100% responsive, lightning fast, and impossible to mess up at the user end. TableKit, the native table builder for WordPress. Get early access today.